It's July 1st, 2020. We're here at the vessel More Sangria. This is a before video. We haven't cleaned anything yet. I'm going to get an after video, but I want to see what it looks like before we get started. And I'm going to go ahead and take a wide scraper with me and just maybe make a pass here or there while I'm at it. Alright, let's take a look. Okay, so the whole boat is pretty well covered in barnacles. We did discuss that the bottom paint isn't very effective anymore, but when we get done, you'll see there's not going to be barnacles all over the boat. Thank you for choosing DS Diving.